Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I'm going to unbox this Sabrent 4-port USB 3.0 that's actually powered, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so thanks for viewing. And this is a nice little small Sabrent, I hope I pronounced that correctly, or Sabrent, depending on how you say, 4-port USB 3.0 hub. And this one actually comes with power adapter. For those of you who don't know, it seems that the USB 3.0 devices actually require more power. And you can actually get these 4-port USB hubs without the power adapter. It should work fine for, simple things like maybe flash drives and so forth. But in terms of using this for more devices that use more power, you should go for one with the power adapter that's included. In fact, I'm actually having issues right now. I have a Radio Shack one with very similar to this that just doesn't have the power adapter, and it gives a lot of issues when I try to plug in more than 3 devices. So if I go maybe the third and the fourth is when it starts to give issues. With that being said, there's nothing too very super complicated about a USB hub. The whole idea of a USB hub is, of course, to take a single USB port and extend it out so that it can handle more than one device. So we're going to get this thing open. I actually wanted to open it before using it, so I decided I'd make the video. Now it says that it's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, and it's USB 3.0, and it's a power adapter included. There's not really much more. It says that there's a blue light indicator, power status for each port, data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits, and it supports up to 127 devices by daisy chaining multiple hubs. That's kind of cool. And some power intense USB devices may require a AC powered USB hub, and that's the whole idea for this thing. So let's just, I don't think there's going to be much of much more to it. It's very, very simple. Oh, I paid I think it was like $12.99 for this, so this is not bad for this price. The 8 ports go for a lot more actually, so something to think about. So let's have to open this thing without, I like to open these things gently, but it seems that will not always be the case. So I'm just gonna pull this thing apart, whatever. I have to say it's really, really nicely packaged. Nice package. Oh, cool. So it slides out like that. I do like the packaging. Very, very nice, and it feels, very professional. So there's some other writing inside here. It says 1-year limited warranty inside of here, and different things about choosing Sabrent and support and so forth. So I don't know how much support we really need. As long as this thing works, it's just gonna work. And so inside the box, okay, nice, very, very wow. Well, the size hasn't changed. We see that it's it's a fair enough thickish cable. Nice, beautiful, nice. USB, I believe this is USB A, you call this, or B, and okay, so it seems, yeah, it is exactly as it is. So it has the switches, so you could basically switch on the ones that you want to save power, etc. as well too, and of course the ports are here, switches, and then these things actually light up when you plug it in. So it's as simple as plug and play. It would plug in, and then you see you can actually press the button, and when you press the button, this ring here, should I say the square here, will light up, and that means it's going to be activated. So that's what's in it. Let's see what else. I think it's just the power adapter. Of course, these things don't usually need CDs. You can actually extend the warranty for 2 years as well. So not something I don't think I would really want to do. But we also see there's an adapter, and I'm kind of curious to see what the power specs are on this adapter. Good to see that there's the FCC sign and the UL listed sign, because those are very, very important things for devices as well too, in terms of electrical safety and so forth. And I can see that it says 5 volts at 2.5 amps, so 2500 milliamps, which I think is better than nothing. So I Definitely like the feel of this thing. It actually feels quite rugged. It doesn't feel, you know, there's a cheap Chinese ones that I really like. This feels a little bit heavy. I'm hoping that that is quality and you know, not some sort of fake thing. But again, Sabrent is definitely a known brand, and it's supposed to be a good brand. So with that being said, guys, that's all really to this one. I hope that you enjoyed this very quick unboxing video, and thank you so much, of course, for viewing as well too. Stay tuned for another episode of RTHD where we go through unboxing. I also have a piano tutorials coming out as well too, and also some tech tutorials as well too, and updates as well too. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again soon on another episode of RTHD coming to your YouTube screen near you. Take care. Bye.